Last year, I took a class that opened my eyes to something new. The class was photography, and our assignments were to take pictures of architecture, city life, and nature. Before this class, I didn't know anything about photography, and I didn't care much for aesthetics like the sky or flowers. But during the class, I found my love for nature through the photos that I was taking. I would usually walk around looking down at my phone, ignoring the world around me. But during this class, I started realizing that there was beauty everywhere. All the green from the grass and the trees, the vibrant flowers, and even the rain. It was everything. And I loved all of it. So last year, I bought my first camera. I brought it with me when I started traveling to a few places, and I got some good shots. I was obsessed with taking photos of nature everywhere I went. I will continue to take photos, but I am now starting to dabble into some video as well. And I wouldn't have gotten here if it weren't for me taking that photography class. Okay. Okay. Okay, dogs move.